So I'm pretty sure I've been living under a rock because I only just recently learned about Himi Gouache. Gouache. How many times can I say gouache? Gouache. Have you seen the palettes before? They're amazing. I am speechless. Welcome to my non-aesthetically pleasing art table. I don't know if this video is going to be very cool. Maybe. Probably not. We're just going to open it. Oh. Only done 4. It's taking forever. That one was amazing. Yes. So as you admire these pretty cups waiting their turn to be opened, I just think it's important for you to know that this process took 78 billion hours. Or at least that's what it felt like. Mostly because some cups were a bit reluctant to be opened. And now I have gouache blisters, but it's all worth it. I am really in love with this palette. Ah! It's pooping. Also, fun fact, one of the colors is called Teeth Yellow Gray. And there's also one called Nude. Oh my goodness, embarrassing. So here we have the full 56 cups of paint. Though if you're wondering, there are 2 whites, so I chose to only open 1. I am not sponsored by Himi, but I do have some Amazon links in my description box if you're interested in getting your own. So take a look if you like. Had a full unboxing videos. I don't know why I paused there. Actually, I'm worried because what if I try this gouache and I'm really terrible at using it? It's actually a little bit scary, so no. I'm gonna be really good. Probably not.